I know it's a Christmas time and we all want to enjoy our holidays with our loved ones. Well, I was thinking let's create a story around it. Here we go. A group of friends sitting around a table, enjoying their Christmas feast. They are all chatting and laughing, having a great time. John: I can't believe it's already Christmas. Time flies, doesn't it? Rocky: yeah, it feels like just yesterday we were all stressing out about finding the perfect gifts. Martin: well, now that Christmas is over, I'm already starting to think about my New Year's resolutions. David: oh no, not resolutions already. Can't we just enjoy the holidays for a little longer? Martin: well, I was thinking more about finding a side hustle to supplement my income. I want to make sure I'm financially stable in the new year. John: that's a great idea. I've been thinking about doing something similar. There are so many opportunities out there, from freelancing to starting a small business. Rocky: I'm definitely interested in finding a side hustle as well. I love my day job, but it would be nice to have some extra income on the side. David: count me in. I'm always looking for ways to earn a little extra cash. John: great. Let's make it a resolution to find some side hustles in the new year. We can even help each other out and brainstorm ideas together. Rocky: that sounds like a great plan. I'm in. Martin: me too. I can't wait to get started. David: all right, it's settled then. We're all going to find some amazing side hustles in the new year. The friends all cheer and raise their glasses to their new resolution. The scene fades to black as they continue to enjoy their Christmas holiday. So I am sure you must be wondering and looking for the side hustle for you too. Well, let me help you. I am going to talk about one of the side hustle as YouTube, where a lot of creators have made their fortunes. And I am sure you would also like to give it a try, don't you? But you must be wondering, which YouTube niche should I pick? Let me break it down for you. Here are the 10 most profitable YouTube niches for 2023. 1. Making money online. 2. Digital marketing. 3. Personal finance and investments. 4. Educational content. 5. Tech, cars and gadgets. 6. Lifestyle. 7. Fashion and try-on hauls. 8. Cooking. 9. Fitness and bodybuilding. 10. Video games. Well, that is it for today's video. In our next video we will talk about these niches in details and other side hustles for 2023. Till then, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more such videos. See you until next time. Thank you.